Good morning, YouTube. Welcome to another daily vlog. It's Thursday, y'all's Friday. I'm going to New York today, but first we gotta get dressed. So let's try to do this YouTube magic. Here we go. Cool. Let's get the day started. Got my Varsity Productions tee on. We're gonna rep bro today. You dig? Let's call the lift and get to the bus because I think I'm running late. Okay, so we're getting ready to head to New York City. It's gonna be a day of walking a lot of places. Not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous about leaving my laptop here, but it's right there. Better be there when I come back, otherwise the office is gonna have problems. My bag, I folded it up neatly, saw it right there. My bed I didn't make, that's how I'm gonna tell if they came in or not. I was knocked out so hard I was drooling last night. I could see the drool. Your boy was tired, man. But the lift is like 6 minutes out, 7 minutes. So I will see you guys. I'm waiting for that. I think it's raining outside. Let's look. Looks like crap outside, but such is life. We're gonna still do what it do. But yeah, I'll see you guys once I get to the bus terminal, and then we'll pick this up. So let's go. Okay, so I'm at the bus terminal. Focus, damn it. So I'm at the bus terminal. Leave out of gate 3 at 7 a.m. But it's raining. It's supposed to rain all day, just my luck. Tomorrow's supposed to be like perfect weather. Really debating on just canceling this trip and then just grabbing a trip for tomorrow. So I really don't want to see New York while it's raining. Yep. I'm gonna make the executive decision. I'm gonna just wash this trip out. It was like 25 bucks, whatever. I'm gonna yeah, I'm just gonna book a ticket for tomorrow. I'm gonna go book some tickets. Be right back. Okay, so apparently it's super easy to transfer your ticket to tomorrow. So I don't even have to cancel my ticket. I don't have to buy a new one. I just have to transfer the date. Whatever the difference between the tickets is, I have to pay that difference, but I don't have to buy a whole new ticket, which is dope. So I'm just gonna go back to the hotel for today. It's gonna be rainy. It's kind of a crappy day. Whatever. Tomorrow through like the whole weekend is supposed to be nothing but blue skies and sunny. So we'll do some traveling and kicking it then. My Uber's 3 minutes away. So yeah, I'll see you guys when we get back to the hotel. Yeah, got some cool buildings up here. Okay, so we're back at the hotel. I think I'm gonna catch up on some sleep that I am much needed on. And then I'm gonna walk over to Dunkin' Donuts because there's a Dunkin' Donuts in the like kitty corner from the parking lot from where I'm staying, so that should be dope. Today actually is probably beneficial that I'm not going to New York because I need to upload like 3 million vlogs and a tutorial. So although I'm not going somewhere today, you guys are gonna get a gang of content today, so that's dope. But anyways, come on. Anyways, back at the telly. I'll think of something for us to do today, and then yeah, we'll get the day started. So till then, I'm gonna go to sleep. Alright guys, so I took a nap. I blew the day away. My Lyft driver is like 5 minutes away. So I'm trying to get dressed super quick. I'm gonna get some food from the grocery store. So I'm tired of not having foods or drinks in the hotel. So, throw some clothes on. My man's name is Mustafa. What? That's the G-est name ever. Okay, I'm dressed. I need some wallet. Cell phone. Arrives in 4 minutes. See you guys at the grocery store. Okay, so I'm in the grocery store. I'm gonna try to keep this as least awkward as I possibly can. Filming in the middle of a grocery store, but I got some chicken tenders that are breaded, fully cooked, ready to eat. I just gotta heat them up in the microwave. I only have a microwave to work with, so I gotta kind of be careful. But yeah, so I'm gonna get some food. I'm not gonna film because it's super busy in here, so I'll see you guys when I'm done. Okay, so far I've got Arizona iced tea, the Arnold Palmers. These are like breaded, ready to eat. Just gotta heat them up. Got this for today and tonight. Just some fried chicken, some chip things. I need to get some kind of pasta or something, and some breakfast stuff. So I also need to get some sort of bar soap, but I don't want to buy like a 3-pack. So I'm only gonna use, I guess I can take it with me. 3-pack of Ivory soap. That too, because the hotel soap is like this big. So I think I'm good on that though. And then I need to find anything else while I'm here. I don't know what else I want to get. Okay, let's go get some other stuff. I need to find plates and bowls and silverware and stuff too. This is what I need. Some lean cuisines. Microwave ready. 5 for the 10. Let's get it. Okay, so I might have went a little overkill on this, but I just wanted to make sure I had enough food for the rest of the trip. I'm here till Monday, so over the weekend this should last me. It's not that much food. A lot of it you eat together, so. But now we went on the Uber. It's a cool little shopping center. They got like a Sally's and like a Dollar Tree, Little Caesars and stuff, so. But I'm trying to get back to the hotel, man. I will say so far, Connecticut has that weird like church, like witch hunt feel to it. There's a cemetery across the street right there. And there's a building right there. It just gives me creeps, man. They got them trees that look like they're on haunted movies and stuff. It's crazy. Okay, we made it back to the hotel. That was a pain trying to get all that stuff. Now let's fill up this refrigerator and finish working on the laptop. Let me show you guys what I got. So, couple noodles up top. Some like corn popped, cut of corn, ready to eat. Creamy 4-cheese rice. The fried chicken. I got a gang of lean cuisines because it was cheap. So, what else? I got some Arnold Palmer and some Pedialyte because I'm dehydrated. The chicken breast, those breaded chicken breasts, and I got some candy for the late night snacks. That should last me till Monday. Okay, so boy's hungry right now. My Final Cut's not wanting to upload videos, so we're gonna figure that out. I'm gonna get some chicken. Now I had to get some hot sauce. And then I'm gonna start plugging everything in and charging everything. I'm still not used to this time difference, man. I feel like I have like tons of time left in the day, and it's like 6:30. So, so yeah, we're gonna get back to working. I'm gonna eat some of this chicken, and then you know, sorry for the boring vlog today. It's because I canceled my New York trip, so I've just been kind of just. But I don't have any napkins. Figured a washcloth would do just fine. Whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna devour this chicken. Y'all don't want to see that. So I think I'm just gonna end the vlog here. Super short one. I apologize, but I'm not about to do much. I'm about to just talk to my girlfriend on the phone probably. Watch some TV. Watch some YouTube videos. Just a boring, like, just kill the day kind of thing. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Tomorrow, Finna be lit. Let's go. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Appreciate you guys watching this boring ass vlog, but you know, see you guys tomorrow. Hit the subscribe button. Peace.